Hi, today I just installed Adobe Creative Suite, Creative Cloud, and after installing the application, I got this error. The code that means there is a file MSVCP140.dll. That file is missing or somehow it's not working properly. It's a Windows file. If you search in Google, then there are lots of way from where you can download this file and replace, but that is not the right process. If you download the file from any unknown source, that can be very bad for your computer. So that's why I suggest you to install reinstall basically reinstall Microsoft Visual C++, and I hope after reinstalling that the problem will be solved. Let's see. uh, I'll share the download link in my video description, so from there you can download, you'll be able to download. So let's download okay, download down. Computer startup net requirement. Okay, all right. Let's say how we can fix that problem. Just open the command run and cmd. Then right, yes, let's see, select install to use accepted. Okay, that is not working. So then download Microsoft 64. Okay, the last version, 2015 to 2019. Okay, I'm not sure if it worked or not, but let's try. 64. Okay, next. Download speed is little slow. Downloading. Why it's so install the Microsoft Visual C++. Agree, install. Set a page on ratio. Please fix this. Has already installed the version. So instruction folder. Okay. Mm, this is the existing person structure. Okay. Install. Let's try again. Okay, that means there is another version. I hope this is okay. Install. Successful. Now try to install again. Yes. Wow, it's working. Setup successful. Uh, Now I need to restart my computer. How far?